Good day to you. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am. I am Gerald Manchang, 20 years old, single mom with one kid.
Hello, Jerry. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am.
So, what is your highest education?
College level, and I took up a Bachelor of Science in Electronics and Communication Engineering undergraduate.
Do you have work experience as domestic helper?
I have 2 years in Kuwait and 5 months in Dubai.
So, what is the most important thing being a domestic helper?
Be polite, humble, at their service. Make sure to do the things they will assign to you efficiently. Love them, love their family as your own.
So, can you tell us the most important things in taking care of the children?
Love the children with tender loving care. Guide them in their daily activities. Teach them to finish their homework and teach them the good hygiene.
So, what will you do if the children are fighting with each other?
Separate them and tell that fighting is bad. Put the children away to each other and give them other things that will make them easy.
So, what if they don't like to eat the food that you prepare? What will you do?
Do not give up if the children don't like to eat. Feed them good food that they like and add some vegetable to nourish the children's health.
So, how will you convince the children to go to school?
Motivate the children by preparing their favorite snack and give them encouraging words that education is very important for their future.
So, do you know how to sing nursery rhyme for them?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give us example?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Jerry. So, since you are a mother, you have experience in baby care, right?
I have
So, what's the most important things in taking care of the baby?
feed the baby at the right time and right amount as per the instruction of the employer. Keep the baby's good hygiene and excess feed for the baby's needs.
So, can you tell us how to bath the baby?
Prepare the things you will need in bathing, start to head and down to toe. Protect the eye and ear of the baby and gently wash the baby and towel dry.
So, do you have last message for your future employer?
Please give me a chance to work abroad again. I am capable to do the household tasks with little supervision. I am obedient to follow your rules and patient in children.
Thank you very much, Miss Jerry, and I hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Thank you, ma'am.